Hello everyone, look at these beautiful rolls. They are spring in the rolls. The white violet flowers submerged when spring arrived. I took them and put in the rolls. Welcome to Saigon Cook Travel. They grow widely. They have color purple and white. And I took them and I soaked them in lemon water and washed them thoroughly and dry them on paper towel. You make sure they are clean. For the best taste, I quickly stir fry Pan-Seared the beef that go inside the rolls. I use cast iron skillet here. You make sure your skillet is hot. When you hear the sizzle, it's the right temperature. I stir fry the white onion and white part of scallion for fragrance, and then I add a little more oil when I see it's not enough, and the beef hit the skillet. I season very simply. Some garlic powder. I will write the recipe with the measurement in the description box below. Now for my seasoning. I will have the recipe soon for you. Black pepper and then soy sauce. And that's it. You don't need to cook too much. The beef very quick cook. Now let it aside. We make the rolls now. You dip rice paper in water. The good advice that you use some pan that is shallow, like a pie pan, so that you can easily dip the rice paper in the water. For the inside, I have lettuce, cucumber, cilantro, raw onion. You remember I cook the white onion with the beef? That is the best balance of flavor. Raw, refreshing, crunch white onions together with cooked caramelized onion. It will make the taste uploaded into higher level. Make sure that you pick some of the onion to put inside. So first you lay the flour down and then the leaves and all the vegetable and the beef and roll. Now I have the purple. Let's do the white one. Cucumbers, white flour. You notice that I place the flour very rear end. That way, when you roll, they just one layer of rice paper and it will show through. That is secret technique you need to roll your spring rolls. The same way if you do shrimp, you want shrimp to show through, you do that as well. If you don't have lettuce or cucumbers. You can put any vegetables of your liking. You have spinach, you can do that. I normally do fish mint, but this winter and season, I don't have those vegetables yet, or those herbs yet. So I use whatever I have on hand. You see, when you roll, make sure you roll tightly, so your roll will be stable and not unravel. Okay, we have the purple one, the white one. Now we will have the combination of white and purple flour. So the same thing, you lay the flour. I do randomly, just like unintentionally, like they are in the garden. If you see the stem are disturbing, you can cut the stem off for easy handling. But I'm the pro, so it don't bother me, and I can manage it. Now I think that flour is enough now. The next thing, I lay the leaves, green leaves, against the flour, so that when you roll up, your roll will show the flowers against the green background. That way the flowers will pop. Lettuce, cucumber, raw onion. I have a little bell pepper here, cilantro, and now beef. I make sure to pick up some of the onion, the cooked onion as well. And you roll up both sides. And use your hand as a guide and continue rolling to the end, keeping them tight. That's it. We are ready to have lunch now. I will dip them in spicy, sweet and sour fish sauce dip. I will put the link in the description box below for you to make these dips. Thank you for watching. Please like, share my video and subscribe.